So let's per se you have this wave of blue light that we're talking about here. Okay, and we want to find the frequency of the light. Okay, so how can we do this? Well, we do have our equation, C equals to the wavelength times the frequency. And this is actually going to be our key equation, and we notice we actually have some of the variables already here. We know that C is a constant, 3 times 10 to the 8th meters a second. Okay, we're trying to find frequency, so how do we find wavelength? Well, that's actually pretty easy. All we need to do is go to our electromagnetic spectrum table. And if we notice, blue light starts somewhere around 500 nanometers. Now, because this is nanometers, I actually need to convert to meters. So to do that, that's actually very simple. I go ahead and just put 500 times 10 to the negative 9, and that gets me to meters. So this is nanometers here. All right, cool. If we go ahead and rearrange this equation for frequency, so I'm going to have to divide by wavelength on both sides, I get frequency equals to speed of light divided by the wavelength. Okay, and all we have to do is plug these values in. So 3 times 10 to the 8th divided by 500 times 10 to the negative 9. Okay, and once I have that, I can actually use these two values, and I just need to go ahead and plug them into a calculator. And I've already done that, so I just come ahead and I put them into parentheses. And once I did that and divided them into each other, I got a value of 6 times 10 to the 14th. Okay, and this is a frequency, right? So our unit here is going to be hertz. Once you have that value in your calculator, you are done. And this is the frequency of blue light, or the average set of blue light. So you can see how you got to this using this equation here. Now do note, this is a very high frequency, but that's kind of explained by the fact that you have blue light running through here. Okay, go ahead and try the next few problems on your own using this value and see what else you can find as we go ahead and keep talking about light and what moving through light is going to look like. Thank you.